I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you too. I love you too. Miley, Bella. Hi. You got. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a non-traditional Valentine's Day look for you all and incorporate some bold pink brows. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, all products will be listed down in the description box below. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start out with my EOS lip balm and also my Pond's moisturizer to prep my skin. Also, I'm pretty sick, so I'm going to be drinking some Theraflu. I'm also priming my skin with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And I'm going to jump right into my brows. I'm going to be using this magenta eyeshadow from the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. And I'm taking this eyeshadow in an angled brush and filling in my brows, okay? And so also to clean them up, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. Alright guys, so I'm taking that same matte concealer and placing that on my eyelids as a base for the eyeshadows that I'm about to use. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and take this yellow shade and blend that all into my crease area. go back into the palette and take the same magenta eyeshadow that I used for my brows and go ahead and place that into the crease as well and just blend it out. Guys, so next I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and take this plum shade here, and I'm going to put that into the crease to help deepen it. Keep in mind, you guys, that we are creating a cut crease look, so you want to ensure that you are keeping all of your eyeshadows into the crease area and just blending that into each other, and do not go below that crease area. So keep adding as much pigment as you need to help deepen it up, but we are going to clean this up in just a few. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and take this deep purple shade here and place this in the crease as well to help deepen it and to add a little bit of dimension and depth to it, followed by my matte concealer for me to cut the crease, which you guys are going to see in just a second. But I want to make a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by Juvia's Place, although I would love for them to be, but I just really love their products, so FYI. Alright guys, so here's the fun part, and that's cutting your crease. Now, to make this a lot easier on yourself when you do try it, take a small brush with some concealer and place it right where your crease is, so basically where most of your pigment is, and slowly clean up that area, okay? Also, take your time during this process. Do not rush it. Remember, patience is key. Patience is on your side. So take your time when you're trying to blend this out specifically, and trust me, you guys will love the end results. Also guys, don't be afraid to go back into your eyeshadows to help deepen that crease area a little bit. Just simply take your blending brush and the pigment that you need to deepen it and just go in and blend, blend, blend. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go into the Galaxy palette by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going in with this shade here called Meteor Crush, and I'm going to take this along with my MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray, and I'm going to place this all over my lid for some added shimmer. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and take that deep purple shade as well as with my angled brush, and I'm basically going to create my own colored eyeliner. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm also going to be winging it out. Alright guys, so next I took my Ardell Wispy lashes in the number 113 and 120 and basically stacked them to make them a lot more fuller and dramatic, and I just applied them there. Alright guys, next I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundations and concealer, followed by my contour and highlight process. Alright guys, so next I'm using MAC's Lip Pencil in Chestnut to line my lips, and I really could not decide which lipstick to put on, so I ended up doing a combination of both MAC's lipsticks in Show Orchid and Snob, and basically just to be a little extra I added some clear lip gloss to finish off the look.